Hi guys, it's Gaba VR. Now I'm gonna show you another 360 photo technique I call Rearguard360. I have noticed that people shooting with handheld camera are mostly using the same angles and parts of the space, which leads to quite similar results.
They hold the monopod or selfie stick somewhere in front of them, but I've never seen using the other half of the space behind them. I used to take photos like this before, but I didn't realize that it could be a new technique until I was shooting the New Year's episode of my 360 blog.
I had a quick idea to shoot something different than putting the camera in front of me.
I wanted to look like the cameraman was following me, but of course it meant to be an invisible cameraman. Maybe holding the camera in the most usual way comes from the habit of framing with traditional devices during vlogging or shooting selfies.
But in 360 framing is very different if we can talk about traditional framing at all.
To take control, we can use our phone as a remote screen, so putting the camera behind us is not a big deal anyway. We can play around with angles, and it looks very interesting even in little planets or watching these photos as 360 images, and it's a very unique view in videos too. If we put the camera higher behind us, it will look like we were followed by the drone. And in the lower angles, we can also find interesting point of views.
Of course, to keep the monopod invisible, we have to be aware of the basic rules, like positioning the camera in line with the selfie stick or finding the most natural posture during shooting.
But after all, we can get exciting results, or at least something different from the most usual handheld 360 shots.
So I hope you will try and like this technique, and if you do, please use my Rearguard360 hashtag on Instagram so I will see your result. And if you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram where you can find my Rearguard360 photos too. Thank you for watching, see you soon guys!